Kibaro kirine kilong ki kubor bam tekasi. Menteri Rangba ke Jela U Conrad ke Sangma ulapan pawi ke jing Sngosi ke bajur halor ke jingiap Sngosi ha East Janti Hills District ha ke Balajia ke jing Thai Dynamite ha ke wi ke kram dewiong ke bati bean hashnong Thangsko ulo ong ba kani ke jingjia ke lajia ke por kum ba khatwi be jimin stem bat kat kum ki jingyo jingtip baningkong khat prangut ki briu lalap ba ke layam kat ba uwe ulaman saw ba lapan kit no sha civil hospital SDRF, NDRF bat ki pulit kila poi syaka jaka jing yatingku. Menteri Rangba ula pentip bakawi ke kinhun SDRF bat bungut ki briuna ke NDRF kila poi syaka te ke jaka. Ki pulit ru kentup IG Eastern Zone kila don ha ke jaka. Ringkat bat ki officer na ke mining department bat ke local administration. Ulo ong bagati ke jaka kalong ke bajengai bat ke ba ban poi kumba arpsan kilometer na district headquarters bar ke jingiat syakati ke jaka ke shimpor haduk lai kenta. Namar ke lenti kalong ke ba kham ngia bat don kam tang daki kali 4x4. Lapha igi menteri sorkar bani jurip sya ke jaka U Conrad Sangma ulo ong ba lapha igi menteri sorkar kum U Bah Lahkmen rumbui bat U Bah coming one amban ban East Janti Hills ban jurip yakati ke jaka ban ya kendu ya ki officer bat ban shim ya ki senjam ki badon kam on shim kam persya jur ya ki badon kti ha ka illegal mining u menteri rangba ulo ong ba u sembut menteri rangba bat u deputy commissioner ki la beteng ban ya kendu bat ya selok bat ki bor district bat ki pulen ula betha ki pulet ban shim ke jing trei kam ka beting tam persya ya baro ki badon kti ha ka ni ke jingjia ngam kwa ban ne bat lan ya unu badan benta hakani on shim kam ting bhau la ong scientific mining kalasdang henry illegal mining omla ban sha shu U Conrad Sangma ulo ong baka jela kalasdang ya kajingya chaprang syaka scientific mining bat menta ki briu ki don ya kalat ban apply license ula kentu ya baru ki nongtih dewiong bakem de shu ban ne illegal mining namar kini ki kam ki bu jingmai ka jing imbriu bat omla ban sha shu on pelong ya ka tokit ba na baro ki benta u menteri rangba ulaong ba on sa pelong ya ka comprehensive inquiry na ke jelabat na district level kentup ya ka police inquiry banlam manu ki bale illegal mining bale ke jingthei kala ja ki jingdon kam ban shim khamting ula benra bakat kum ki jingyo jingtip baning kong bon na ki laborers ki dei na shabar jela ndai donru katu katne ki local laborers ka jing ban khanglat iki illegal mines usang mau lo ong baka jela kala register ya hajar tli ki case persha iki illegal miners bat bun ngut la charge sheet henry ka jing kalong baka than ka he shibun baka jingyo jingyaram manpower ka duna ulo ong baka sarkar kan sapa additional manpower ban penkhan ya ka jingya khang illegal mining menteri rangba ulo ong ba unsa beteng ban ai jingtim shakilat pathai khubor kat ba ka jingyo jingtip babnya kadang ya
inform all everyone that today we had a very tragic incident that took place in East Janti Hills, where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Minsingot, Thangsko area in East Janti Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Yalong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnels from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lahkmen Rumbui and Mr. Wailad Mikishila, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You're aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time, individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that, I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself, but this is the information that we have as of now. So I thought I will share that with you.